Hey everyone, welcome back to another Internet Guru. Today I'll show you how to set an automatic reply in WhatsApp Business. First of all, open WhatsApp Business on your device. Then go to the Tools option in the top right corner. Scroll down and tap on Greeting Message. Then turn on the Send Greeting Message option. After that, tap on the Greeting Message section. You can write any message here. For example, I write hello and then click OK below. Then tap the Save button in the top right corner. Next, tap on the Away Message option and turn on the Send Away Message toggle. Then tap on the Away Message section. Set your message in the box, click the OK button, and then tap Save. Now, an auto reply message is set on your WhatsApp Business. In this way, you can easily set up auto reply messages in WhatsApp Business. Thanks for watching another Internet Guru. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a daily drop.